It's Sarah and welcome to my channel. I am working on a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas. My back is taped. It's nice and taut. I am pouring over a pour. I feel that it's just too dark. So this one was actually made with some TLP pigments, shimmer, velvet, and I know there's another one. Let me see here. Brulee. So beautiful, but just kind of too dark. And for me, I couldn't sell something like this dark because it's just not in my market up here. But we're going to do a quick little pour, and we're going to do a galaxy pour. And for those of you interested, we will be doing Fluid Art Boutique in Delray Beach and Florida in October 8th, 9th, and 10th. I know I've been talking about this a lot. This is actually a class that I will be teaching in Delray. So if you guys are interested in learning this technique and consistencies, this is a time to do it. So my colors, I've added some white, Artist Loft Flow white or soft body white with some of the Decoart satin enamel. And I put about a tablespoon in that cup. And then this is Arteza's, I believe it's there. Let me see. Good Lord, I'm not organized. Hold on one moment. Here it is. I'm using Arteza's Pearl Sky Blue. And I'm also going to be utilizing Arteza's Pearl Sea Green. Both colors I love. And they are mixed 5 ounces of Floetrol to 1 ounce of the paint. And this is Decoart's 24K Gold. I'm going to come in with the sea green. And I have Arteza's Prussian Blue. I'm going to do some white next. And gold. And maybe we'll wreck it, maybe we won't, we'll see. I'm also offering a Galaxy Pour landscape style class. And I think that's all I'm gonna do for now. This is my beautifully layered cup. And I'm just gonna put down some of the Prussian blue here. And we are gonna start pouring. Love these colors together. And maybe we'll give it a little bit of a twist. I love the Arteza's pearls. We're just gonna let's just turn it up. That's enough. All right, love this. We're gonna give it a quick torch. I'm gonna stretch this out. Well, you know what? I really wanna wreck this pour. I know some of you like it, some of you don't. We're gonna be using a smack stick, which will also be available at the Fluid Art Boutique. Don't be afraid to wreck this all over. Got a lot of white going on in here, so we're gonna bring in some color and make a little heart. Now the edges, they're basically gonna go off and off the edges of the canvas. So we're not gonna worry about that too much. All right, let's do one more torch. We've let it percolate for a minute. There we go. All right, so I'm going to come back to middle. I see some more air bubbles there. I did just mix my paints up, so that can happen, but you want to make sure you get those bubbles all popped. Actually, I really love this area here, so what I'm going to do is put a little more flow extender there because I don't want to lose that composition, and if you don't have enough flow extender, your composition and puddle will automatically roll over itself. So I would rather it carried it to the corner, like such. I think I'm going to come in over here too. There we go. All right, we're going to go over here. Let me find the center. There we go. The weight of the paint should be in the middle of the canvas. Now we're going to come off this side maybe. Or maybe just kiss the corner. Let's see how far we get. Yeah. And come right off of there. We're just slowly opening everything up. I come off over here. I just need over there. There's so much that needs to come off the edges. All right, and back to the middle. We're gonna come over to this side. I wanna even that out a bit. Sometimes when your paint is a little bit thinner in consistency, you have to tilt a different way. I just want to come off this corner one more time because there is a bit of sea green. And then I'm going to go the opposite direction. There we go. So we're going to go off to this corner over here. Oh, I love this. And there. And I kind of want to get some of this gold off over here. Oh yes, I love it. So I'm really digging the composition on this piece, and I like how just where the gold is just on this side and a few bits over here. So I'm gonna clean up my edges and then we're gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so here is the final result. I really love how this is gold here and very little gold up here. I'm loving the movement in all of this and the wispiness of the white. Super pleased, super happy. So if you guys are interested in taking my Galaxy Pour, Rect Galaxy Pour class in Delray Beach, Florida, I would love to see you there. I do hope you guys have a wonderful day. Check out our website, www.fluidartboutique.com. Bye.